Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have another Diamond Art Club Black Friday sneak peek. This one is Noah's Ark by Rafael R. Trujillo. Trujillo. I'm so sorry if I'm botching that name. Trujillo. That sounds right. Anyway, this painting is so pretty. It has tons and tons of elements here. It is a square drill. It is 98.8 centimeters by 69.9 centimeters. Really big. And it looks like we have the thumbnail here. And right here it says we have 70 colors, including 2 ABs and 3 fairy dust diamonds. The total diamonds is 111,557. This is a big one, but this painting would be so cute in like a nursery or a kid's room. It's super adorable. I'm gonna have to check out this artist too, because like the animals in it they're lifelike, you know what I mean? And we have all sorts of diamond paintings out there, like with cartoony style. I don't know the proper artist words, but these are like lifelike, you know? So we have our upgraded toolkit here. Oh, and that's on the back. If you want more information on the upgraded toolkit, check out the older unboxings, not from Black Friday, where I go through each piece. Now we have our thank you card here. Thank you for your purchase. And this will have the tips and tricks, a QR code to their Facebook group, easy how-tos and such. I'm going to just zoom in real quick here. And then we have our thumbnail. You can see it a little bit better. So yeah, lots and lots of going on here. Oh, this is just so cute. We have our paired up animals. We got 2 dolphins over here. See, no wonder it's massive. My goodness. So many animals. See what I mean? This would be so cute in a nursery. So we have our thumbnail picture. You can put your start date and your end date. And it has the information about the painting at the bottom. And then you open it up, and this is what you can use to kit up your painting. Individual stickers here. And then at the end with the letters in front of the DMC number, that's where they keep the ABs and the fairy dusts all over. Yeah, individual stickers for your containers. Makes it easy to kit up the painting. So there is that. Let me set that over here. We're going to take out the canvas. Oh, zoom back out. Here we go. I'm going to take this massive thing out here. I'm going to try to lay it out. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. Woo! Okay. I like how I lifted it up to try to like show you how heavy it was, because that's a thing you can do. All right, we have our trading card here. This is another little collectible items. It has a code on the back here you can use to redeem after so many gift cards and even a custom diamond painting eventually. We have the title of the painting, the size, the artist. Super pretty holographic card. And all the new kits that I've seen all come with those. So keep an eye out and hang on to them and save them up. All right, now we are going to go ahead and get this opened here. And pull it out of the plastic. Here we go. Okay. Let's see which way we're going. Okay, going this way. Woo-wee! Look at this. Oh, sometimes I'm like, Diamond Art Club, how do you render these so well? That's crazy. Okay, set these off to the side here. Okay, I'm going to try to flatten this out a little bit. And this does have our perforated plastic. As you can see the red lines here. Let me zoom in a little bit. If you're not familiar with the perforated plastic, it's just another way to section off your painting to ensure that you don't, you know, go all over the place with the washi tape method. We have no line bleed through. But yeah, you just start tearing up and you can go right along the line there and work on it section at a time. They did the red line so you can easily see where the next section starts for the perforation. And if you want to flatten it out a bit, you can just take up section or corner at a time, just a little bit, and then put it right back down. Diamond Art Club uses poured glue, So it self-levels for the most part. And I'm going to have to like curl this up on my desk here or something because it's so huge. But look at this. I love it. So cute. You could totally frame this and put this in a nursery. You would need one big frame though. That's awesome. It looks like a little bit of confetti, especially in the grass and the plants down here. But you can clearly see each little animal. I love it. Here we go. Look at these little things in the window here. How cute is that? All right, let's go ahead and check out the colors here. Oh, could you right there? Sorry about that. We have a giant thing of colors. Totally massive. Sorry if that's loud. Here we go. Woo! Lots and lots of drills. Wow. Okay, I'm just gonna pick a random strand to go through at a time here. Okay, here we go. All right, go in just a little. Okay, so we have 3, 8, 4, 7. We have 3, 5, 6, 6, 0, 2, 1, 3, 8, 6, 4, 9, 3, 4, 3, 7, 1, 7, 0, 0, 9, 7, 6, 3, 0, 5, 1, 4, 1, 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 7, 5, 6. Here is a fairy dust, Z3346. Like a dark green fairy dust, super cute. 830, 829, 3721, 936, 3072, 3826, 840. All right, put this over here. Going on to the next one. They're all tangled. All right, we have 2 great big bags of 3761. We have 3860, 2 big bags of that. 317, 2 bags of 3766, 2 bags of 3371, 414, 2 bags, 1 bag of 434, and then 433. Here is our AB 712. It's like a cream color. It's pretty. 2 bags of 452. 3 bags of 807. 2 bags of 779. All right. Now we have another bag of 779. 2 bags of 747. 895. 3 bags of 898. 801. Here's another fairy dust, Z3865. 2 bags of 842. 2 bags of 3772. 2 bags of 827. 2 bags of 310. 987. 844. 2 bags of 844. Is that it? We did it! Woo! So there are all of our colors. Lots of array here, but we got a lot going on in this painting. So here is our boat. You can see a bit of color blocking, but it does switch between the different fades of the brown. Let's get into the animals here. You can see some of the rendering and the symbols. So we have a little bit of confetti in each animal, which is to be expected. You look at the little, oh my gosh, they're so cute. I don't want to say the wrong animal, so it kind of wigs me out. So pretty. I love this painting. And we got our little cats down here. Adorable. But yeah, you can see the animals paired up. The rendering looks fabulous. If you do purchase this painting and you finish it, I would love to see it finished. Absolutely. I may try to work on it when I can, but you know, this is massive. It would take me forever. I know some of y'all are like super speedy, so if you finish this, I would love to see it. You can share it by Crafts with the Crashly Facebook group or the Diamond Art Club VIP group, because I always check out their site too. But yeah, that is it for this one. If you're brand new here, hit the subscribe button. This will be released on Black Friday, so check them out. And yeah, hit the thumbs up on your way out. So until next time, everyone, bye-bye.